Hey guys, welcome to my videos. So finally my basement is ready. Maybe I'll be doing some sort of cleaning. Now you may have a question, what is this? So basically this is a canopy. Right now it's raining and you can see it's raining everywhere. But because of this canopy, it will protect. It's not going to be 100% perfect, but it will still protect a lot. It does have some openings. One is there and one is down, because what happens when air enters into this, it needs a way to go out, otherwise it will blow the entire metal, especially during storms. Here also you see it has been applied all the way here. That's the sump pump. Okay, so I'm gonna open it now. Okay, it is opened. Now I'm gonna go to basement. I'm gonna open it with my key. I'll be putting it on rent soon, but yes, I'll put it on the rental market soon, but I will sign up the contract only if when I'll find someone who's suitable to be rented, not with like the first come first serve. No, that's not gonna happen. Okay, I entered. Okay, so this is gonna be the sump pump. These areas you have seen before, but I'm showing you once again. Now few more things I have done, like you see this is third party smoke monitoring by Rogers, and they have also installed, you see this wire, water sensor, so in case of any leakage here they'll be notified, and it's like third party protection for your home, definitely. And my rental agreement, this area, furnace area, is going to be excluded. It should be accessible only to me only. Coming to this place, they did clean, but it seems it requires deep cleaning because a lot of what do you call, white material is on the floor. Probably I'm gonna clean it myself first before I call someone to do deep cleaning. Okay, let's get inside the room. Okay, this thing I'll tell the builder to do once, because they have missed the white color here. I'll tell them to do this. Coming here, let me see if they have fixed some of the damages. Yes, this one they have fixed. Even they have sealed this, that's good. Okay, so they have done finishing work here, but again cleaning this area matters. Okay, this also is good. Yeah, something will be applied here too. I'll have a lock something here so that it doesn't get open all the time. Egress window is here and it's locked. Good. Wow. If I open it, how does it look? Let me see. Wow. Do you know what is on top of that? Drywall has fallen. Don't consider it's canopy. I'm gonna take it away. So it's gonna go on rental market soon, and I'll keep you guys updated. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe to the channel. Thank you.